Hey y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters of ScottieDTV, but I was at the 2019 SEMA Show, and I came across a 2019 Dodge Charger I think y'all are going to like. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a quick look at it.
You know, I don't cover a lot of late model, modern stuff, but you also hear me say more than once that cool is cool. In an all-wheel drive twin turbo, 1500 horse, 4-door sedan, that is cool, man. I'm all about that. Speed Core. Speed Core's been in the news recently, you know, Kevin Hart and his little shabascal thing that went on down there in California. But I'm a fan. I'll just be honest with you. I'm a fan. I don't hold them accountable in the least bit for any of that went down in California. You know, and so yeah, I'll be honest with you. I'm proud to give them a little screen time, give them a shout out, because they build cool stuff. And I'm afraid that at the end they're going to come out looking like bad guys because, you know, they built, I'm holding up quotes, an unsafe hot rod, which was not even, that wasn't the case at all. It was plenty safe. And this little hot rod has, you know, got a roll bar in it, all the latest safety gear. I'm sure all the airbags still work in it. And they've added some diamond plate covers to some race seats. It's got some carbon fiber pieces on it too. The hood, the fender flares, the rockers, the deck lid, the rear spoiler, the bumper, the diffuser. All that is Speed Core carbon fiber pieces. Drag slicks on all four corners. You gotta love that. That is just awesome. But 1525 horse. They have upgraded the transfer case and the drive shafts. It's cool. Just think you could take all your buddies with you in this thing. You could be late for a date and make up time in this thing. That's just cool. How the exhaust comes out the front fenders, how they hid the turbos. How cool is that? Two of them, of course. And then they've got the 6.2 liter Demon motor that they have turbocharged, and then it's got a custom Speed Core intake on it. 1525 horse. How cool is that? A little easy reading for you. Give you a little more information. Well, actually, it's where I got my information from, but obviously I've missed some of it. There's more there than what I've told you. Check it out. I thought y'all would want to see this thing now. How crazy is that? So there you go, from the 2019 SEMA Show, a 2019 Dodge Charger, all-wheel drive twin turbo. How cool is that? Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya!
Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.